Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving work and closing Adobe Audition. Do that now. Once closed, make sure you have administrator rights. This reset touches protected folders. If you want any presets or templates, copy them out to a safe folder before proceeding. You do this because the reset deletes preference files and folders. You'll lose custom mappings otherwise. Now locate the hidden application support or app data folder. Don't skip this, because the next step removes those exact files. Now you delete the preference and support files that force Audition back to factory defaults. On Windows, open File Explorer and enter %appdata% and %localappdata%. Delete the Adobe Audition folders. On Mac, open Finder, press Shift-Command-G, go to ~library/preferences and ~library/application support, and remove the Audition items. If comfortable, remove related registry keys on Windows or PLIST entries on Mac. This is why you needed admin rights. Once done, empty the trash or recycle bin to complete. Finally, restart your computer and launch Adobe Audition. You will see default settings and the initial setup because the app recreates fresh preference files on first run. Make sure to rescan VSD/O plugin folders or reinstall any plugin that doesn't appear. You can selectively copy back presets from your backup. If Audition won't start or plugins fail, run Audition as administrator and verify folder permissions. This common permission issue stops the app from writing new preference files. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.